Hello guys, welcome back to Always Mabel Canada's channel. Today's video is about how to reset your iPad, or how to totally reset your iPad or erase all settings. So what we're going to do here is open your iPad and then go to settings, and then for the shortcut just type reset, and then it will show there the reset. Click that reset and you will see here reset and erase all content and settings. So if you press the reset all settings, you're just gonna reset just the settings or the network or the home screen. You don't do that. If you need to totally reset your iPad, erase all content and settings, press that, and then it will show there erase this iPad. Erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPad can be safely traded in or given away. So it says there the following items will be safely removed from this iPad: the apps and data and my Apple ID. So press continue, and then it will ask you for the passcode, which is, I'm gonna type in my passcode or the PIN number. Okay, once you type in your PIN number or the passcode for this iPad, it will show there that cancel or erase iPad, and then it will ask you, are you sure you want to continue? All media data and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. So press erase iPad, and then it will erase all the settings, everything there. So wait for it to totally erase everything, and then it will go to it's like a new one, new settings, or whoever you want to give your iPad to, he or she can set it by her own account. So there you are. There. So it's now deleted. It's all erased, so it's like a new one. So swipe it, and then you can set it now with the new settings, or if you want to give it to another person you want to give it, or to sell it to somebody, they can set it with their own account in Apple account. So that's how you totally reset your iPad. So if you like this video, guys, please hit the like button, and if you want to subscribe, please subscribe on this channel and hit the like button so that you will get notified every time we upload our latest video. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.